I hear all the time about how people hate John Morgan. I'm going to be completely honest with you. I freaking love that guy. Have you ever heard him speak? He makes you want to run through a wall. John Morgan is the epitome of the best marketing attorney and has set up an infrastructure for one of the best law firms in the country. And if you're sitting around hating on him because he did more than you are wasting time to build that life for yourself if that's what you want. John Morgan doesn't sit around talking shit on other lawyers because he's done it. I admire him. This has nothing to do with whether I do business with him, whether I want cases from him, because I don't. I don't want anything from him. But I don't sit around complaining about John Morgan or thinking that he's out to get me, because guess what? He is way less concerned with anybody else around. That's why he's so successful. I do think that I'm going to be as successful as John Morgan, but success is defined by each person. And if you're sitting around just complaining about how John has moved into your town, then guess what? Get better at marketing. Find new ways to get cases. Target things other than just car crash cases. Because guess what? If you don't have $10 million to spend in your market, you will struggle to get those car crash cases if you're doing it the same way that you did 5 years ago. Get more creative, use it as a learning experience, and get motivated to get new cases, new ways, the way that I have. I'm a first-year lawyer. I started my firm this year, and I've generated almost 4,000 intakes. I have 160 signed cases, all catastrophic, all mass tort. I did that without 0 Google reviews. You can do it. Don't sit around complaining about how John Morgan moved into your environment. Why don't you learn something from him and try to figure out how to do it yourself?